everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. Unfortunately, I tried to go live. It is not working. Not sure what's going on with our internet here today, but I'm on and then it kicked me off, so I truly apologize. But as you guys still come on, please make sure you say hello to me. If you're catching me on the replay, please make sure you give me a hashtag replay so that I know that you were on. And if you're catching me on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos for the upcoming season. So you guys, welcome. Happy Wednesday. I wanted to come and do a video for you because I will actually be gone the rest of the week, you guys. We leave tomorrow. We're going back to New Jersey to close on our house. Yay, so excited. So we're leaving tomorrow. So I will be sharing videos with you. They're just going to be recorded videos, very similar to this since I can't seem to go live. And then hopefully once we get back, we're going to get this all straightened out. We're going to be changing providers. And then I'll be able to be live with you again, you guys. I'm so sorry this is taking longer than I had expected. So now that all that's out of the way, let me tell you a little bit about what this is. So for those of you that are new, again, welcome. And for those of you that have been around, this is our amazing company called Chalk Couture. So this is a home business, DIY, home decor business opportunity that you cannot find anywhere else except through designers like myself. We have these really cool silk screen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and we have inks. We do offer several surfaces like chalkboards, box wood frame. We have beautiful whiteboards. We have canvas pillowcases and banners, but you can use this on wood, tin, glass, dry erase board. You can use cardstock. You can do, like I said, t-shirts, dish towels, pillowcases, table runners. The list can go on. And then we have all the amazing tools, all these fun, super cool tools to use to create these DIY home decor products. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is this home business opportunity to be a designer just like myself. You guys, this was the best decision I have ever made 2 years ago when I joined Chalk Couture, and this is just the beginning for us. And I would love you to join this journey with me or learn more about it. Just give me a hashtag join below, and I will make sure I get you the link to my private opportunity group where you will watch a 15-minute video to learn more about the opportunity. And then any questions you have, I would love to answer those for you, because I honestly can tell you I love what I do. I am now a full-time Chalk Couturist, which I am so excited about. So this is just the beginning for me in being able to share this with you. So I'm so excited about that. So let's get this fun project started. Now, first and foremost, the design I have chosen today, let me show you real quick. This is our 9x12 Odette whiteboard. This one is called a Spirit of Halloween transfer. Now, the reason, first of all, I want to show you this is, hey, it's October, right? Perfect timing for the fall season. But this is also available in a kit. So what does that mean? In the kit, you will get this Odette whiteboard. You will get the transfer, and then you are going to get 3 chalk paste singles, okay? So the colors you will get are going to be the Storm, the Orange Peel, and the Black. So this comes as a kit that you can purchase right online, no guesswork. All you will need is a squeegee, and just reach out to me after you place the order, and we'll talk about your squeegee. But you guys, you can purchase this, takes the guesswork out of it if you are interested in a chalk box kit. I think it's absolutely perfect because I know that's always a question, like what colors do I use, what surface do I use? This takes all the guesswork out for you. So I thought we would do this fun design today so you can see how gorgeous it turns out. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove our transfer from the packaging. Now, really cool fact, all of the directions are right on the back here that tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, fuzz, dry, and store. Because again, these are reusable anywhere from 8 to 15 times, depending on how well you care for them. Cleanup is easy peasy breezy, goes right in a little bit of water. You wipe them down with a Clorox wipe, and that kind of reactivates the adhesive. You let it air dry, and then you're going to put it right back on these carrier sheets. So the first thing you're going to do is write on the back. so you know what side of the carrier sheet that the transfer is going to go on, okay? Then I'm going to take my finger. I like to rub it over the edge to get it started. I don't like to pick at the corners because sometimes you can peel it apart. I flip it over, and then I am going to remove my carrier sheet from my transfer and just set that aside. Now, quick tip, I always say shiny side is the side your transfer goes back on. Matte side is a no-no, okay? So shiny side is the side that your transfer will go back on if you happen to forget to fuzz it. Now, if you happen to forget to write on the back, not fuzz it. What am I thinking? All right, so I'm going to just take this transfer, and as you can see, there's an adhesive side, and that's the side that's going to go down on our surface. Sorry, there's some stuff there. And you can fuzz this up. Since we're doing this on a whiteboard, I'm just taking our Chalk Couture fuzzing cloth, because like I said, we have all the tools you need to complete this design. If you don't have one, you could totally put it on your shirt. I like to do that at my workshop and take pictures. Like I tell everybody, go like this. And I take a picture of everybody with their transfer on their shirt. But these are amazing. 2 sides to the towels, a microfiber side, which is great for cleaning. So, love our fuzzing cloths. Now you're just going to take this and place this right on your surface of where you want it. If you want to measure, entirely up to you. I'm an eyeballer. I always totally eyeball everything and put it right where I want it, okay? Then you're going to smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in your silk screen. You could totally take a squeegee and go over it if you choose. I just use my hands because I like to make sure I feel if there's any air bubbles, okay? So I'm going to smooth that out. And then I'm going to take my chalk paste. I'm actually going to use the chalk paste that you could purchase from our websites in the 3-ounce jars. And that's how I'm going to do our project today. So again, I'm going to be using the black, the orange peel, and the storm. Okay. Now chalk paste. Let's talk chalk paste. You guys, we have over 35 different colors in chalk paste. So there are tons of colors to choose from. It will fit any home decor that you're interested in. Your chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So it kind of goes on as a liquid and dries as a solid. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm getting kind of low on my storm there. You want to make sure you stir up all of the pigments to get them blended. And you want your chalk paste to be like a yogurt sour cream consistency. If for any reason it is not, you just add a little bit of distilled water. I use tap water, but they recommend distilled water. And you stir it up. Again, just blending that all together to get that consistency that you are looking for. Super fun, you guys. This is just such an amazing product. Like, if you are a crafter or not, I mean, you are going to love this product. Wreath makers, sign makers, it takes the guesswork out of all of the detailing. There is no weeding, nothing, you guys. It is just amazing. When you pull that up, you pull your transfer up, and you see the finished result. And I just noticed that my sign is a little crooked. It's a little crooked. We can fix that. Totally fix that. How's everybody doing on this Wednesday? You guys, I'm getting so excited that we're going to be leaving to go home tomorrow. Well, not to go home. We are home here in South Carolina. But to go back to Jersey to close on our house. Like that, I have been waiting for this. I have been eating crackers and drinking ginger ale till this day is coming, just because I'm so stressed over it. Not gonna lie. So I have been waiting for this day and cannot wait to close that chapter. Totally cannot wait to close that chapter. Oh gosh. So I hope you are all having a great day. I'm just ready. All right, so stirring this up. Again, the orange looks really, really good. I don't think I need to add any water to that one. My black, again, yeah, I don't think it's the consistency that I want, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. And then for this design, because the one thing I will tell you, the chalk paste dries a lot quicker than the inks. Okay, so when you're working with chalk paste, if you have like a detailed area like this, I recommend doing something called chalk and peel, okay? Because again, it's chalk, so it does dry a little bit quicker. So I'm going to do a little bit, I'm going to peel it up, and then I'm going to dry it. and then I'll just lay it down, and then we're going to just keep going. So let me just get this all ready. I've got my hair dryer right here to the side to help speed along the process, and let's get started. So like I said, if this is something new to you, I would love it if you'd share the video. If you're interested in learning more, you know, if you're interested in shopping, give me a hashtag shop. If you're interested in the business opportunity, give me a hashtag join. And I do have a private VIP group, you guys, where we're going to be doing some fun things coming in October. So just give me a hashtag VIP. Again, as long as you are not a designer, I would love to help you. So just dipping my squeegee right into the orange, and then I'm going to scrape it across the silk screen, you guys. Applying pressure, scrape it across that area. Okay, that's all you're going to do. Now, like I said, you will get this in the chalk paste singles. When you get the singles, and you know what, I'll show you that here in a second. Let me just put this aside. Let me get my gray. Or my storm, sorry. I call it gray. I'm just going to go like this. And again, scraping it. You don't need a lot. Applying pressure. Any excess you're going to scrape off, because we're not going to waste our chalk paste either. This would be really cute on a t-shirt as well. You know those cute little t-shirts, the graphic tees? You totally could make one with this. That would be cool. That might be an idea I have to do. And then my black, obviously for black cats, right? We've got a couple of them living around here. So like, see, I got to get in these little areas, just using the little corner. Oopsies. Just like that. The multi-purpose tool would be great for that too, because it gets in small areas. So now what I'm going to do though is I'm going to peel it up. Reason being, like I said, it'll start to dry, and if it dries, it'll end up drying within the silk screen, and we don't want that to happen. So I'm going to do chalk and peel. So I'm going to peel this up. I'm going to take my hair dryer. Mine I usually use on hot, and I'm going to hit it with a hair dryer because it dries really quick. Okay, I'm just going to hit that with my hair dryer. That looks so awesome. Nice, crisp, clean nines, you guys. You don't have to weed anything. Hello, amazing. Okay. All right. Then I'm just going to lay that back down, and then I'm not pressing it down. I'm just pressing the areas that I know that I'm going to need to hit. Okay. And like I said, this is available online in this kit. Now, I wanted to tell you real quick. In these singles, if you happen to buy the kit or you have these singles, make sure you knead your packets, okay? I highly recommend kneading them because sometimes they can get down in that little bottom. They turn into like a little ball. Knead it up a little bit, you know, move it around, swish it around, so this way you get that nice consistency. And then just get a little plate, and you can put it on a little plate, add a little water if you need to, but just a quick little tip for you there, okay? All right, let's get back to chalking. Chalking. The little black here for our little bats. We have so many gorgeous designs in this catalog we just released, you guys. I hope you check it out because it really is. There are so many beautiful things in there for Halloween. We have some Thanksgiving. We definitely have some amazing Christmas designs, so check those out online. My website is chalkingwithjen2ns.com. See, I don't have switcher right now, and I can't put that up there for you to see. Crazy. All right, let me get my orange peel. Now this nice whiteboard surface, again, this is one of the surfaces, and the beauty about the chalk paste is if you do not seal this surface. So the chalk paste is semi-permanent, okay? So as long as you do not seal it, you could totally wipe this off and do a different design on this surface, which is really, really awesome. So check out some of my other videos and you'll see how that works. It's just such an amazing product. And again, it allows anybody to be a crafter, which is super awesome. All right, just covering that. Sorry. Get my storm. Me and the pups are in here today, just hanging out, getting ready to leave tomorrow. Sorry, I know I shouldn't sing. All right, so I can see that black is starting to dry, so we want to make sure we peel this back up. Peel it back up, peel it back up, peel it back up. Ooh, loving, loving. Trick or treat. So does anybody like haunted houses? I want to go to a really good farm haunted house this fall. So if you are a haunted house person, give me a hashtag haunted house below and tell me where you enjoy. Like, what's your favorite haunted house? Are you a screamer? Are you not a screamer? Yeah, hashtag haunted house. I'm a screamer. I will scream. Somebody jumps out at me. Girl, I'm screaming. I'm screaming. And if anybody is near me, they're getting grabbed. That's all I'm saying. It's like, whoop. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to do I want to do this in gray? I think I am. I'm going to go gray and then orange. Okay. Or storm. I keep calling it gray. All right. We are almost done, you guys. And look, how long has this been? Like 15 minutes, if that. And a lot of it was just me jibber jabbing. I am telling you, easy DIY home decor. Like, seriously, how about a little Halloween party for kids? Like, that would be so fun. I love doing workshops, and that's the beauty of the business. There are several ways you can run this as a business. Again, you can do all social media if that's what interests you. You can do in-home workshops. You can do vendor shows. Maybe you're just a crafter, wreath maker, blogger. You could totally just sell your finished designs. You can sell from your website. You guys, the upcoming holidays are coming. What great gift ideas. Everybody's into the DIY. Like, seriously, a huge opportunity for this business. So just make sure you give me a hashtag join, and then I will make sure I get you the link to my VIP group, or my opportunity group. So, ta-da! There we go. The transfer, you guys, is going in a little tub of water off to the side. Just a little, I mean, nothing fancy. Check it out. Like, seriously, want to show you. Again, tub of water off to the side. I'm going to clean that off and wipe it down with a Clorox wipe. I'll let it air dry, and boom, can totally reuse it again, right? But check this out, you guys. Look. Look how gorgeous that is for the Halloween season. And like I said, this comes in a chalk box with the surface, the transfer, your 3 chalk paste, and then message me once you order, and we'll talk about that squeegee. But perfect project for the upcoming holidays, you guys. So I hope you love this. If you have any questions about Chalk Couture, like I said, leave them in the comments. I will be sure to answer those. And then just give me a hashtag, whatever you need, and I will be sure to help you. So you guys, thanks so much for tuning in and watching. I will be chalking with you live soon, I promise. And make sure you subscribe to my channel on YouTube. All right, you guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll chalk with you soon. Bye, guys.